Hello everybody, my name is Cody Hunter from Teletrac Navman. Now, just because you spend all day in the truck doesn't mean you don't have to look after yourself. It's really important to stay moving, stay fit, stay strong, and improve that well-being while also being on the job. So today, I'm here to show you some exercise that you can do at home, outside, anywhere. Let's get to it. Movement number one is a deadlift. Now, we sit down a lot, we get really tight in our hammies and tight in our hips, so we're gonna do a movement that's very powerful for your glutes, your hamstrings, and really strengthen us up. All right, team, so we have these really versatile, powerful bands that we've got here to do these workouts with. The first movement is the deadlift. All we're gonna do is put one end underneath your feet, sit yourself in a position, armpits tight, back nice and flat, and we just stand up. Very, very naturally, back down again, we stand up. Squeezing your glutes, squeeze your butt, squeeze your hammies, really strong down the back. Number two, what we're gonna do here is work on our back. Sitting down a lot, we slouch forward so much that we want to strengthen the upper rhomboid so we can stand upright and straight. This movement, the bent row, is perfect for that. Feet on the band. This time we bend forward, and we're gonna work our upper back. So we row up, elbows up to back. Boom, very simple row, getting that upper back really, really strong. Help our posture, help our strength while sitting. Really important movement. The next one, team, what we're gonna do is just open up the biceps a little bit. We're gonna bicep curl the band while also adding a push press over top of our shoulders, really getting that shoulder capsule nice and warm and stretched out. Band under feet. This time we're gonna work the arms, bicep curl them up. So we go one curl, press it above your head. Again, curl and press. Working the arms, working the triceps, and also that shoulder position, really, really important to get that mobile and open. Now, to even things up with our upper back, we're also gonna do a push and work that upper chest and our triceps at the same time. We're gonna put this around the upper back. All we're gonna do here is push forward, work the chest, work the triceps, nice and controlled, smooth as silk. And finally, we're gonna work on the lower body a little bit. We're gonna work the glutes, the quads, and the hammies for a forward lunge. So we're gonna put the bands up around behind our head. We're just gonna step forward and press up. Step back, alternate through, mobilizing the shoulders while strengthening and stretching the lower body. All right, team, time to apply this. You've got your movements, you've got your band that you can keep in the cab. Now, when you get a break, what I need you to do, what I want you to try is jump outside and put this into a workout. This workout is 2 to 3 rounds of, number one, walk a loop of the truck. Number two, continue with 10 reps of each of the movements I've taught you today and crush it out with good form, good control, and good strength. As I said, try to complete 2 to 3 rounds of that whenever you can throughout the day.